Thutha wa mutambo wa KIRIU uria wendekithirio kuhuthikaga hari uheani wa tenda ciothe cia thirikari uria wikaini ta EGP kwendekithio kwa ihinda, riu minista wa KIGINA Mbadi augite ni ihinda mutambo uyu wambiririe kurutithio wira. Hindi ya gikaro na ndiki ya mohoro, Mbadi atariria ati riu thirikari ni gukinyia muthia uheani wa tenda na uguri wa indo hari thirikari nene na thirikari cia kaunti kuhitukira njira ingi yothe otiga kuhitukira mutambo uyu. Kaunti 31 igikirwo mutambo-ini uyu gukinyiria muthiaini wa kiumia giki.
The implementation and the use of the system will result in reduced cost of goods, works and services, increased transparency in procurement process and practices, improved efficiency in procurement by minimizing the procurement cycle time, maximization of value for money, accountability will be enhanced, there will be improved confidentiality, integrity and authenticity of the transaction between procuring entity and suppliers. Avoid any resistance, any pushback, because that pushback will not be sufficient enough to deter our push on.
Itanya inene ria mutambo uyu rikagwetwo gukorwo ari kurigiriria ungumania na uthukagia wa kigina kia muingi. Riu Mbadi akiuga gatagati ga ciringi bilioni 100 na bilioni 150 ni ciuraga na njira ya ungumania hindi ya uheani wa tenders cia thirikari.
Countries where this e-procurement has been implemented, that in the first year of implementation, you save close to 10% of your procurable budget, 10 to 15%. Now, 10% of our procurable budget is about 100 billion. So we expect to save between 100 and 150 billion. It can even be more. This system works with accuracy. Any misposting, any mistake you make will be very costly to correct. Actually, that is the essence of having this system. We created a system that cannot be manipulated easily.
Mbadi akihita ati ni ihinda kigina kia muingi kigitirwo na njira ciothe. Riu akiuga kuhitukira mutambo uyu tenda ciothe cia thirikari ikunyitithanio na bajeti yacio hari mwaka wa kigina na gutigukorwo na uhotekeku wothe wa gucenjia undu wothe wigie tenda kana bajeti iria irikitie kuingira mutambo-ini uyu.
For all state departments, all county governments, their budgets are usually uploaded in IFMIS. The moment the budget is put in IFMIS, it will be translated through by our team here into EGP system. That is when the procuring entity would then be allowed to prepare procurement plans in the EGP.
Hari wandikithia wahuthiria mutambo uyu, Mbadi augite honge 7637 cia thirikari ni irikitie kwandikithio na mutambo uyu. Riu andu othe mangienda kurutithania wira na thirikari magitanywo kwiyandikithia mutambo-ini uyu ona mbere ya kuheo tenda o yothe.
1285 procuring entities have been registered. 7637 suppliers or service providers to government have registered as we speak. Number 3, 100 trainers of trainees have qualified or have been prepared, have been trained.
Ukinyaniria wa mutambo uyu ukite oriri bunge ya kibururi irigite kugwetwo gukorwo na uregani naguo undu uria Mbadi acokire kuregana naguo.
Have a good evening.
Hadunia Kameme TV ri turakwo ni Bataro wa Mwangi.